What's going on?
Oh my gosh, I almost got pounced by a cat.
You almost got pounced.
Yep.
Well, that would be fitting.
Yeah, no joke.
Because guess what day it is?
Let me guess.
Saturday.
What's up?
What's up? What's up?
I don't know, I think you should rename these videos.
Why?
You should call them Coffee Talk with Lulu.
Coffee Talk
With Lulu.
with Lulu
Yeah.
on Caturday.
That's right.
Okay.
And you can actually do it on any day instead of just on Stupid Caturday.
Stupid Caturday.
Yeah.
Look at Bella's leaving you alone today.
Yeah, well, hopefully she doesn't acknowledge me and see that I'm here.
That's
She could be distracted with them toys.
them toys.
Yep, those
Yeah.
weapon training devices.
So listen,
What?
what's up?
Well, I knew this day was coming, so I figured I might want to come up with my list of the fun facts about cats.
You don't look like you want to talk to me.
Well, the cat over there's kind of freaking me out with those toys. I'm afraid she's gonna like pounce on me or
Yeah,
something.
you got to keep your guard up.
Yeah. So
So anyway,
I was thinking
What were you thinking?
7 fun facts about cats by Lulu.
I'm scared to ask.
Okay. The reasons why I hate cats. I know I said it's 7 fun facts, but those are fun facts. Number 1, the black cats. Jesus, they
Number one,
stink.
they
That's it right there. They stink.
You say that every week.
I know, but the other issue is they have lots of hair that sheds the black hair everywhere.
What about you mean like Moose up there?
Yeah.
He's got lots of long hair.
He's the worst culprit.
But guess what?
What?
Your mama has 2 Dysons and she uses them all the time.
That's fine, I don't care. That's only number 2. Number 3?
Yeah.
Let's see. They can hide in the dark corners because they're all black. And that scares me because then they got them beady eyes.
Beady eye.
Look at me in the shadows.
You mean like spectacular?
Yes, she just came out of a dark room.
A dark room.
Yeah, because she's a dark black cat. She freaks me out.
She freaks you out.
That's right.
Okay, give me another
Okay,
one.
another thing is, you know what else is black?
What?
Did you ever see Patrick Swayze in that movie Dirty Dancing?
Yeah.
Do you remember at the end when the people died? They had the ghosts and then they had the demons coming out of the shadows.
That wasn't in Dirty Dancing.
Not Dirty Dancing. What was that movie?
It was a ghost, you dingling.
It was a ghost movie. Well, those demon ghosts remind me of them cats and they come out of the shadows.
Okay.
So the cats might as well be demons.
Okay.
Yep. Do you want more?
More.
I don't know. What else is
Do you even
there?
know what number you're in?
I don't know. I think I'm number 5. Number 5. I don't like that cats have 9 lives. That means they get to get away with a lot more murder. Murder and mayhem. Let's see. Number 6.
What?
6. Let's see. Have you ever seen cats do their grooming?
Yes.
They have like yoga legs.
Look
They
at
can do
he's
yoga.
doing it right up there.
Right. So,
Nice.
come back to me. Come back to me.
I'm back.
So it's like they do yoga, and they're actually, by doing yoga, some people think that they're summoning demons.
Oh, come on.
What? So the cats, when they clean themselves, are doing yoga.
Okay.
They're stretching their legs all over the place, like an evil demon worshiper.
Okay.
Let's see.
That's
Number
ridiculous.
7,
What?
they're witches' best friends.
Oh, come on. That's not true.
That's the truth. Look it up. Look it up. The
Look it
witches
up.
love the
No.
cat.
In some countries, black cats are considered good luck.
Those countries must not be America. And that's why they're not number 1.
Something's wrong.
What?
I don't know. I don't even know what to say anymore.
This is Fun Facts with Lulu, and I think we should rename the program to Lulu's Fun Facts.
Okay.
House of Games.
Okay, you have a whole week to think up more fun facts.
Yeah, well, maybe next week we'll talk about something more important.
Yeah, something more nice.
I don't know, it'll be nice or not, but maybe a little more information. Maybe we'll have a historical bit of knowledge. Maybe I can find out some famous cats.
Okay, we'll get on that.
Okay.
And would you like your greenie now?
I would love my greenie. Can I say hi to my favorite person, Chewy Fairy?
Cherry Fairy, yes you
Hello,
can.
Cherry Fairy.
And you can say thank you for your
Thank you
greenies.
for my greenies.
Okay, and say goodbye.
Okay, bye.